Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer data from a Huawei smartphone to a Samsung Galaxy Note 20. First, download the CLONEit app from the Play Store on both devices. Open the app on both devices and accept all permission requests. On the Huawei device, tap Send, and on the Note 20, tap Receiver. Scan the QR code or enter the password manually to connect. Select the data you want to transfer and tap Start. The transfer will begin and show progress. Once finished, you can find the transferred files in the Files app under Audio Downloads. That's how you transfer data between devices. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.